Guys, what is up? What is good? Piston back again with another whoa, bro, video reaction, fam. Listen, right, I was watching the Real Madrid game yesterday and I see like some young kid like popping up and I was like, Paz. I'm pretty sure I was meant to do a reaction on this guy like a few months ago, bro. 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎 fam. Listen, right, like I'm sorry that this video is actually coming out right now. Shout out to the Napoli game and the Real Madrid game yesterday in the Champions League being played, right, because it's reminding me to do a reaction on this kid. Bro, must have been in like when August, July, right? I heard Guti shouts. Listen, you had me at Guti, bro. Guti, fam. These central midfielder that played for Real Madrid around 2009, bro. That Guti, bro. That's what I heard, bro. So hey, listen, I'm here to see more of 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎. Really impressed with what I saw yesterday. Left footer, bro, getting one of the main important goals against Napoli. Again, like in the dying, embers of the game, the late stage of the game, fam. Slap shot, left foot shot, bro. Merit should have done better in my opinion, but still a Champions League goal for that kid. His first Champions League goal. But guys, enough for rambling, enough for chit chat. Let's just get this madness started. Entre estos uno. Vámonos, bro. Oh. Shout out Ultras TV, bro. I love that opening, bro. That all I heard was Guti, fam. Guti shouts, bro. Listen, bro. Hey. Nice. Oh. Yeah, he's Argentinian. Ooh. Okay. Rudy. Jeez. Let's see what kind of category left foot I'm going to put him in. This already, bro. I just got my voice back, man. Oh, the flick. Brav. Oh yeah, man, like 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎, bro. Cause yesterday, right, when he scored, literally like he just kept on like popping up, and I was like, Paz. I was like, that name, bro. Like, oh. Good goal. His left foot, bruv. He was the other one as well with Álvaro Rodriguez. The young striker, the tall one, bro. He's good as well. Yeah, because I kept seeing like Paz. I'm like, this name, Paz. I was like, oh yeah, I was going to do a reaction on him. Oh, jeez, bro. Yeah, because I was hearing Guti, bro. And for the channel people, the channel regulars know that I rate Guti, bro. I'm pretty sure he was called 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎 as well. 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎. 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐿. You know what I mean? So maybe, yo. Because he was 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐻. I think it was Guti Hernandez. That was his name. But he had 𝐍𝐈𝐻 as �ＨAZ. And then there's, of course, 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐻. Just saying, bro. Then you get Jude Bellingham playing like Zidane yesterday. Literally, like, honestly. That was like Zidane yesterday. The way that Jude Bellingham played as well. Joselu missing the chances. Oi. Jeez. Brilliant touch. Hey. See you later. Yes. Oh, he was going for the volley. Man. He should not have touched it. Deli. Oof. Brav. Yeah. That's some nice delivery, man. This might be against Colombia or Ecuador. Conbell. Is it CONMEBOL? Sorry, CONMEBOL. I think it's CONMEBOL, CONMEBOL. Yeah, it's CONMEBOL, isn't it? Under 20s, it is. So it's like Euros. So it's like under 20 Euros, basically, guys. But South America version, of course. Hey. Jeez. There you go. Slap that, slap that. Yeah, 34. Oof, good save. Good play. Yeah, he's definitely one of those like the artist left footers, isn't it? It's not a powerhouse left footer. It's an artist left footer, bro. Touch. Yes. Ah. Brav. I have to go back to that. That was nice, bro. This here, bruv. Look at this touch, right? The touch and the pop-off. It reminds me of a guy that played for Man City, fam, that wore number 21, who's Spanish. Like these kind of touches like this, bro. Look at this. Bat, bat. Jeez. Tap, tap. Oh, 2 touches, bro. That's all you need, fam. The Youth Madrid derby. See you later. A reverser. Finish that. Oh, okay. Good. Ooh! Oy! Nice. Good touch with the head, bro. Clever. Didn't even need to think about that, bro. It's just a first-time passer. Jeez, reverse pass. Hey, bruv. Oh, keep it down, lad. Yes. Hey. Good. Penalty. Nice. Jeez. Ish. Hey. Brav. Brav. The back post. Oh, submitting, bro. Number 11, the Afro killed me though earlier, bro. Sold them dreams with that other goal. Nice. Jeez. You got time? Good. Spinner, yes. There, give him back, knock around the corner outside of your boot, lad. Back, there. The flick back. Like a pimp named Snip, like. Pimp named Slick back. Hey. 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 Yeah. 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 Jeez. Brav. You know who he kind of reminds me of as well? Arda Güler. kind of reminds me of how he plays like Arda Güler. Nice. Good pass. Yes, that's the guy. That. But I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. That. Wee. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Oi. Oh, good save. He does play like Arda Güler, doesn't he? A little bit as well. Bro, Madrid fan. Somebody stop these guys, bro. It's not fair. Yeah. Good. Easy. Easy. Jeez. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. But guys, that has been the video, fam. Shout out to man like 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎 and Ultras FC TV, bro. Shout out to you, bro, because you make some actually really good content. I've not shouted you out before. Of course, you've got more subscribers, more subs than me, but it's still I just have to give you credit, fam, for your work. But man like 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎, bro. Like honestly, of course I see the whole Guti shouts, bro, because yeah, he's left-footed. He's again, I'm sure he's a number 10, right? And that's a position that Guti used to play for Real Madrid back in the day. And yeah, man, he kind of does like similarly play like him too. The left foot artistry, fam. The little threaded passes, the little knocked over passes, bro. The first touches, even a little bit like Arda Güler as well, guys. I still sprinkle of Arda Güler, right? And Madrid with the young players that they have right now, even when you've got Endrick going into that team too, they've got 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎, Arda Güler, you've got Jude Bellingham playing like friggin' Zidane yesterday, bro. It's mad, fam. They look dead set right for the future. All they just have to do right now is sign more centre backs, like a young, good up and coming centre backs, and a goalkeeper, and then these guys will be set again for the next 10 years. But guys, that has been the video reaction. If you've got any video requests, recommendations, do comment down below as usual, fam. That keeps up on your boy. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I've been Preston doing a reaction on the fam on man like 𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐎, the little young artist, bro. And I'm signing out. Keep it real. Peace.